Welcome back to magnet fishing. It's like a trolley marathon, if you can see. Trolley's everywhere. Maybe people shop today. All it is. And buy new magnets. There's a bike there. Another bike. Yeah. So a couple of trolleys over there. It's to the right. Yeah. A little race and yeah. So we're gonna magnet fishing this spot and this new spot. We just moved a bit down from last time we magnet fished under the bridge near Westmead, and yeah, that's it.
Joshua's throwing out. Let's see what he gets.
Looks like I caught a bike. Looks like a pink one too.
Is it heavy? Ooh.
Did it come off?
Came off. We'll keep trying. So we've got something in the water and the magnet is like fully stuck on it. Oh, it's moving.
It's a box.
Josh is pulling it in.
It's dragging.
Oh, it's dragging. Oh, that's alright.
We're probably going to get it again.
Okay, off or more?
Oh, yeah.
Are you right, Josh?
I had something then.
Must have been rocks.
Etty's just down on the rock. Just thrown in. Let's see what he pulls out. Nothing by the looks of it. Did you get anything, Etty?
No.
No? Rocks. Oh well.
I'll let you know when I get something.
And Josh is just coming down to join him. It's a nice little spot here. While we're waiting for Etty to throw in again. It's a nice little spot. Got a lot of rocks. It's a great spot to just magnet fish on. So yeah. And now we're back to Etty. He's thrown in. Let's see what he pulls out.
Just over here is where Joshua believes he's been dragging a cash register. Let's see how he goes. He's brought it closer. It's 15 minutes in the process.
I've got something else.
Okay, Joshua's got something else.
Looks like a frame.
A strip for a car.
Yeah.
Okay, let's work on that if you can. Did you clean your magnet up? Awesome. Yeah, it keeps moving around. Bring it a little bit closer and then I'll pull it out by hand. Okay.
Wow, my goodness.
Nearly. Okay. I've got to stop the video, guys. I want to help him.
Etty's just helping Joshua out with pulling out this cash register box. We're so excited. This is like our first one. Joshua found it, but Etty's just helping him pull it out because it's been a bit hard getting it out. Wow. Wow. So we'll see if we can open it. We'll let you know.
There's a keyhole there. Hang on, Josh.
So we've got the keyhole for the registers just there. And
We've just got to find the key. Okay, let's open it up.
We'll work out a way to open it up.
Get back to you guys.
We'll get back. Okay, so
You
we've...
hear the beat.
So, we're not sure what's in here. We're going to take a...
Can you bend that on?
We're still trying to take apart the
won't slide.
cash register
Can you lift that?
thing.
Oh, yes.
Not sure if we're going to get anything in from it, but it's really jammed in.
Let me see. It's open.
There we go. Got it open.
Oh,
Careful.
there's a lot of dirt in there, but see all the dirt in there?
Yeah, a lot of dirt.
So let's clean that dirt out and see what's in that dirt, eh, Josh?
Okay.
I'll get this off. It's spring loaded.
What do you mean?
See the spring in there?
Oh,
So it doesn't come right in. It's just slide, right? Put a little mother up. Give me a sec, Peter.
So we've managed to get everything out and pry it apart. We've got a bit of dirt in there. There's the drawer that Etty's holding, the cash register drawer, and that's the top of it.
I see that spring. What's with all the wires there?
Don't know.
it's automatic.
But looks like we've just got a lot of dirt in there. See if there's anything in
Sift
there.
on it.
Looks like when they threw it in the creek, they threw it in empty.
They could have left something for us.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. That was a good find though.
Oh, good find, Josh. Awesome.